Fancy you watching ANGISAKUFUNI right here on CMTV. I'm your host of the day. My name is Maya Murua, and you guys know Ubuti ANGISAKUFUNI is about helping couples to have a peaceful breakup. And now, if you find yourself in any situation that is uncomfortable for you to break up with your partner at home, make sure Ubuti you send us an email at cmtvsa. Follow us on Instagram at cmtvsa, and make sure Ubuti you subscribe on our YouTube channel because yes, and we are growing up. So today we'll be having Jennifer in the studio. She's going to tell us a little bit more about what's been happening in her relationship and how it's going like. But yeah, before Sia Ekdeni, let's just go to a quick ad break. After the break, I'm promising you guys to bring you all some salt into this. Welcome back to the break, and make sure you stay tuned because you know what, you don't want to miss out on what's for today because you're in Sazokala and you're still watching ANGISAKUFUNI. And like I promised you guys, Uguti, after the break we're gonna welcome Jennifer. She'll be our guest for today. Uzositshela ukuthi kahle kahle umjida wakhe umenzani. So let us welcome Jennifer into the studio. Hi Jennifer, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm also great. You look beautiful, by the way.
Thank you, same to you. You're also looking pretty.
Thank you, my dear. So just tell us a little bit more about yourself and where you're from.
Okay, my name is Jennifer.
Okay.
I'm from Alberton South and I'm studying here in town by Rose Tech College.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
I'm studying IT.
Oh, that's wonderful. No, all luck to your studies and everything. So Jennifer, because you contacted us because we're ufuna ukuhlukana nomuntu wakho. So can you just tell us the reasons why do you want to break up with him and how's your relationship been like?
Okay, in the beginning our relationship was okay. Everything was perfect, you know. Everything was going well. Until there were changes along the line because we've been together for 4 years.
4 years?
Yes, 4 years.
So what changes are those?
Honestly, I found someone new along the way.
Really?
Yes.
So you've been cheating on your man, gahle gahle?
It's not cheating if he's not acting right, because he's not acting right. You know, if he was doing the right things, I wouldn't look for someone else.
True. So when did you find that person? Like, we 1 year, we 4 years. I need to be in Jola for 4 years. So when did you find a new guy? Like, was it last month, 6 months ago? How long has your relationship with the new guy been for?
Yeah, with the new guy, it has been 2 years.
Yo guys, Nani Nazuela, with the new guy it's been 2 years, but let's dig into it just to find out more. So when I know new guy, does he know Uguti you've been having someone else that you've been with before him?
Yeah, he knows, and he says that it's okay since I've been taking time to break up with the old guy, you know.
Haibo.
So he's like, he understands, he's just gonna take it slow and stuff.
So when I we mamas, pizza bay too, shying up. And how has it been like, you know, Katali ganti pansili? Umuntu zokubhaka hayibo sisi. Tell me more, I'm so interested. You know, Katali I call her vele. Oi too.
With the old one, I don't entertain him that much. It's all about the money. And then the new guy, it's
he has the
all
bag.
Yeah.
He the bag. So why would you want to leave a bag?
He has the bag, but in the bedroom, you know.
But I need
that
there's another
satisfaction.
one. There's another one to satisfy Eromini. But the bag is kwama. Yeah, it's kwama. Ah, yeah. Are you serious? Ubeli bag nje. Old body uthi bag elkhona.
The new one has it also. So
you're just done with the old guy.
Yeah, let's just focus on the new guy.
No, your story is very, very, very interesting. So through your relationship with the new guy, there were no complications. He's just been
fantastic. You know, he's been on top.
He's not cheated or done anything silly.
He is perfect. He does everything perfect.
Yo, guys, Nani, as you guys can hear for yourselves from Jennifer Ubutuias, and the new guy is top tier and the old one is a back. Angazi wenzakalani, but the story is so interesting. Just make sure ukuthi you stay tuned in the episode yanamhlanje because you don't want to miss out on anything, bro. So let's go to the break. We'll be right back with the old boyfriend ukuthi ezomyeka kahle because ingathi akasebenzi empedeni. I don't know of that. I'm out. You are still watching ANGISAKUFUNI right here on CMTV. Make sure ukuthi you stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram at cmtvsa. Send us an email at cmtvsa. So right now it's about time we welcome Leslie in the studio. Lee, can you please bring Leslie in? Hi Leslie.
Oh, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm also good. Do you know Imama's Elihle on your side?
Yeah, definitely. So,
Umuntu wakho, she's your person.
yeah,
Really? And how long have you guys been together?
4 years.
Wow, what a whole 4 years. It means you're a good guy. For when would see what's keep him Elihle so for this whole time? Stjele, what's your story? How did you keep her for this long? Because the relationship seems to be, I mean, I see some connection.
Yeah, I need some connection. I can say that too.
But why is it like you're not sure?
Mamas nowadays, she's acting up some strange ways. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you mean she's acting up in strange ways? Like, can you clarify that? Like, be more specific.
When I call her, she will say like, I'll be late, I'm with friends. And then when I say like, hey, today we have to go out.
She'll just come with silly excuses.
Yeah, something like that.
And then do you think there's anything wrong with umamas? Do you think maybe bayampabaza phandle? Do you think maybe bathathele yena when without knowing?
Hey, I don't know.
But you're a man, and of course imamas like when you see some strange whatever, of course you wanna know and dig into it. Or you now you're shy. Do you have someone else that you see?
Yeah,
Eh?
kind of.
You have someone else that you see?
Something like that, yeah, I can say that.
But unomuntu.
Eish. Hi, Mara.
Oh,
Jennifer, what's your take on that? Since umuzu.
So you're seeing someone else?
Yeah, I'm growing, like, nowadays, I'm Finaku, you don't...
No, because of time, you're seeing someone else.
Bathum.
What do you mean because of
'Cause
time?
we-
Mara Jennifer, since lwena osamofenako and ke guy.
Yeah, very.
Mathole hlezi ivukile vele. So, I mean, what are you expecting? What's your take on that? Mina, I blame you for not giving him isikhathi, and that's why abonana nomunye umuntu. Why sisho ngamuphi isikhathi?
But then we've got school, we're occupied with school, and I've got a part-time job on weekends, you know that. So I don't know why you're saying no time.
And you're getting your life together.
Yes.
So, because she's getting her life together, manje wena ufuna ubabaza phandle.
Come on.
Kuyabuza ka re ubabaza thata wena.
Nah.
Do you still love her?
I do love her, Mara.
But you can't look her in the eyes.
I can.
Jennifer, do you still love umfethu?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
Uyamthanda?
Yeah. I do.
So chinchile ingqondo phela. But
I
let me tell you
do.
something.
Yeah.
Usisingathi usaba
But-
ukutshela.
I
The name of
do.
the show is ANGISAKUFUNI, ne?
Oh, yeah.
So Jennifer fanda ukuthi simo ANGISAKUFUNI. Angazi why. So Jennifer, can you take over umtshela ubhutizi ukuthi why did you actually bring him in the show?
Okay, the reason why I brought you to the show, I love you a lot, and you know that I love you a lot, and you know that you are the
I see
rock
future.
to my heart, you know.
Mm.
You're my everything. The reason why I brought you to the show is because I've been seeing someone else for the past 2 years, and we've been together for 4 years. I met him 2 years ago.
2 years enye uwe. Tala uyambhabaza umuntu wakho. That's what now ubhabaza phandle. Yes, niyani toxic kanjani you two guys. But okay, uthini Puti?
Uthi 2 years.
Yeah, 2.
So pila khale ba o jela mosadi for 2 years.
Nahana. Yes.
I stayed leso. And then manje intswembu is the only thing you're gonna say. Amlwela umuntu wakho. Muhle amlwela awukhulumi litho. Kukurelaxite.
2 years.
So Jennifer, what's the reason for wena to date another man? Just tell him what you told me, sis. Like why umchitele from the get-go?
The reason why I cheated on you, you know, you give me everything, the hair, the makeup, and you know, you get things
Soft
done
life.
for me, you know. But like when it came to things of the bedroom, you know, I guess,
Inumbhabaza wakho mnandi akakunika mnandi orincane.
you know, it's
Phela uyazogela lezi vele sihlezi sisabela.
Avel, explain, is it that?
not that it's not small, ne? But like you're not using it properly.
So I'm not using it properly.
Yeah,
Meaning what? You don't feel it anymore.
because the new guy makes me come and you don't.
Wow, so the new guy is bigger than me.
No, it's not a matter of big, ne? But like it's how you use it, you know, the strokes and
So
stuff.
Jennifer, for this whole 4 years unaye, when did you feel ukuthi embedeni akasakubhabazi kahle?
I felt it from the first time we had it, but I kept on
Ha!
pretending.
Yo.
Yo.
Ay. See. From the first time, but you are so unfair because you are wasting his time.
I don't know how to tell you because you're a very interesting person, you know.
So kahle wena bofuna imali not umbhabazo or his love.
The money and the love, they go together.
They can go together, but if the sex is not good, what love is there? Because we see from the get-go, berangakunika mnandi. Do you need any help from men's clinic? Or
I think I'm fine. You see,
ukelo omunye uyakuenjoya ne?
yeah, you see that she's too much or something, I don't know.
But is it ikhona mara yona?
It is. It's there.
Ikhona.
It's there. Yeah.
As you guys hear uthi uguy athi it's there, angazi mina kwazi Jennifer, and she knows why she called him in the show. So guys, let's go to a quick ad break. After the break, Sia continue because yes, the salt is still too much and we still have to split it out. See you all. Welcome back to the break. Of course, we're still splitting the salt because nani niyabona ukuthi vele la shushu. So, Leslie,
Yes.
since umuntu wakho vele kutshela I ukuthi yena vele bambhabaza kamnandi more than wena umbhabaza. What's your take? Uthini ngayo le ndaba le?
Now I'm confused because like,
Can you please put on your mic?
yeah, even now I'm confused because like, the new girl, ne? She's showing me flames, like, and after the thingy, she's me like, she will tell me, compliment my performances.
Ngiyakutshela.
Then now, okay, uthi, I'm not making her calm, like, how really? Is
Yini
it?
ukhama fast?
Nah.
Yes.
Really?
Why are you denying it?
Jennifer,
denying.
kanti uyifuna for how long? Now we got to tell umbhabaza.
Yeah,
So,
hey.
and kudala bambhabaza boyi-2 for a whole 2 years.
At least an hour, so you know, more than an hour.
Hour.
He just goes like 2 minutes and it's
So
done.
uyamgibela nephezulu.
Sometimes,
Do you
yes. I have to give him the vibe.
So but manje he's saying ukuthi the new girl uyamcompliment, meaning she's doing better than you. Is it true?
Yeah, very.
Ukupha kamnandi.
Yes.
Isavelekile.
Tight.
Tight the way iyashisa imama.
Too much hot.
Nah,
There's sauce
man.
inside.
There's sauce phakathi. So manje ka Jennifer usayifuna isauce yona?
And like,
Don't lie, you were in my panties last night. And you said it's nice.
Yeah, well, I would say it's nice. What if I say it's bad? You will go like mad and say like,
kahle kahle uyamzwela wena.
yeah,
Uyamzwela.
yeah,
Mara uyazi ukuthi umbhabazo omunye utholile and then you're very satisfied with that.
definitely.
So since kunjalo, why were you guys still continuing with your relationship?
Ish. Yeah, the girl I used to love her very much.
Okay, it was only because he love.
Yeah.
Mara uyamnakakela, everything is all good.
Yeah, I do her. I give her everything she wants. You can just look at her and you're like, yeah.
But umbhabazisi kamnandi.
Aye. She's always busy with her stuff.
So did you find a better girl than her?
Yeah, the new girl, she's better.
Better with what?
You know the moves in the bed. Aye.
Kahle inkinga yenu isembhedeni nina. That's your problem. In face na lo uyifuna kakhulu wena ngathi awumphi kahle. Amara mina ngiblame wena uthi yami. Imama zingeke. A lady won't just wake up and be like, nah, I'ma go get another guy. The problem should be with you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, problem akaking vele. Hey, enjoy it.
Your problem is when you come, you don't give me opportunity to also feel the satisfaction.
And that's
you
what
only,
we need.
Yes, he only focuses on him. And sometimes you don't even last long, like you're just like, I'm tired.
That's annoying.
I'm also tired, but I am giving you that, you know. I even go and buy lingerie and stuff, get my hair done for you just to...
Marie vuga fast yon.
Yeah.
Marie iwa ivuga fast, iwe fast.
Yeah.
Aye,
But did you need any help from men's clinic? Because we can offer you that.
I don't need a men's clinic. It's either she got problems herself or something. Cause like, yes, vele wangaya mara, not much. So and anyway, some other times you know, like, yo, let's do this, and then I'm not in the mood.
But she's your girl, so why am I satisfied if you wanna keep her by yourself?
When I want it, she's not there. Yeah.
Nah, it's fine. So Jennifer, I need to yazi ukuthi ubhuduze umlethele la. So please ngicela umtshele kahle ekuzwe ukuthi why ula.
Leslie, I'm here to leave your ass. I found a better one that is doing a better job. So probably I'll hit you up for some e-wallet and stuff. But
Tshela something.
Minji, we done.
Like hasa ubatla kufedile. You guys are
Done.
over. Agasakufuni bhutiza. Akasakuthandi and ushilo naye uthi kudala ngakuthandi. Since inhlangana bekafuna wacabanga. I don't know, but she doesn't want you anymore.
Also from the start, you went there.
I was there, but yeah.
Mara akasakufuni. Are you accepting that?
Wow.
Akasakufuni.
Okay, it is what it is. Okay.
Jennifer ngicela umtshele futhi ngesiZulu. Angithi yazi igama lesho is angisakufuni. Please tell him ukuthi awusamfuni. Make it clear ukuthi makaphuma la ubhuti ayazi ukuthi usingile. Phela mina mahamba lo singile. Awune standby.
Stand by. I think.
Unali stand by.
Okay, let me tell you something. The new girl, she's so obsessed about me. She wants me dearly, like.
But between you all peli awusamfuni Jennifer. Akasakufuni Leslie.
Yeah. I think I'll be fine with that. It's okay. I'll make it easy for you and say like, it's fine. Go with your new man. Precisely, it's not new because like it's been 2 years.
And umnika kamnandi.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
So I won't waste time for you here and say like, yo, Jennifer, stay with me.
Okay.
I'll make it up, cause like I'm not satisfying much. So I'm letting you go. Just like go the way you came, okay? Cause like, well, I won't lie, say like I'll move on, something like that. Cause like I really still love you, but
na
Awumisa.
igwinye bhudiza, it's fine, uzothola
Yeah.
omunye. As you guys seen ukuthi uJennifer ulahle umuntu wakhe because ubhudiza kampapazi kahle. I don't know if udinga i-men's clinic or what's happening with him, but it's all good. Make sure ukuthi you stay tuned for our next episodes because thina lana sihlezi vele sisplitter i-salt. And if now ufuna ukuthi i-salt yakho isplitteke lana, just make sure ukuthi you contact us or even send us an Instagram at cmtvsa. It was lovely having you guys, Lana. Thank you so much for cooperating. And we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.